Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Lens, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply copy or extract text from images using Google Lens. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this camera icon. Then go ahead and select your image. So I'm going to select this particular image right here. Now you can see everything has been selected right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click and hold down on the image. Then we have the options right here. We can highlight all the area we would like to copy from the image, as the case may be, just like what you see right here. Next thing we can do right here, we can go ahead and click on copy right here. It has been successfully copied without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google Lens, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.